Welcome to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Taimoor Ali and I am an engineer and a teacher providing mentoring services for competitive examination such as CSS, PMS for years. On this channel, we aim to explore principles, strategies, tips and tricks, guidelines, and how you can prepare yourself for exams. Many CSS aspirants have been concerned about how to prepare for and pass exams, a way to find complete lecture series to gain a good knowledge and understanding. This channel will provide everything for those who can't afford academic fees or can afford a little. Success in any exam relies on four pillars. The number one, passion. Number two, discipline. Number three, time management. And number four, smart work. I am also dedicated to uploading videos on current affairs to broaden your wisdom and enhance your critical thinking skills for elaborating on question papers. If that sounds interesting, I would love for you to check out some videos on my channel. I am available anytime for any assistance you may need. Thank you very much for watching and I hope you enjoy the channel. Take care. Bye-bye.